Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Shelly. I'm so glad you're here. Please don't forget to subscribe, and if you like some cleaning motivation, you might want to like this video as well. And let's get into it. Okay, so I just got back from the grocery store and I have got quite a bit of fruit and vegetables that I wanted to prep for a week's worth to take to the babysitter. And I just really want him to get more veggies, and so I'm trying to really make sure he's eating healthy by sending a whole bunch of stuff that he can snack on through the week. And I'm just using these awesome containers. And I had him in my hands, that's why the cucumber looked ridiculous, and my peeler was in the dishwasher. So that's why it looked like that. But I'm also gonna cut up some strawberries and then also some grapes. For the grapes, I cut them in half and then I cut them in half again just because, I don't know, I just really don't want him to choke on them. I'm sure he's fine. When they're in quarters like that, he just shoves them all in his mouth anyway, so I figure I would better be safe than sorry the way he eats them. So I'm really excited about how I have everything packaged. And then I also packaged some sugar snap peas. I really am trying to get him to eat those veggies. He hates them, but I just put a little bit in the one above to take to the babysitter, and then the rest is for at home. And then it is going to feel like I do dishes this whole video because that is how my weekend goes, and that's all I really had time for cleaning wise. It just seems like the dishwasher and the sink are just always full, and no matter how much we do dishes, it never ends. That and laundry, it never ends. So this is what I'm doing all weekend. We had his birthday party on Saturday, so I did some dishes afterwards. And yes, this counter is a mess. I ran out of room on my camera, so I didn't get to film the whole kitchen clean, but there was enough dishes for a whole video, so you are welcome there. I love watching dishes in the cleaning videos. Those are always my favorite. So I hope this is satisfying for you. And I really wanted to show you how I do my pump parts. So maybe I'll do that in another video. I know that would have helped me as a new mom. So let me know if that is a good idea. I was trying to, but ran out of storage. But I do show you how I lay it all out in the dishwasher. But let me know if you want me to go into more detail in another video. I would be more than happy to. Right now we're using the finish pods for the dishwasher, and I kind of like them, but I really am trying to find really good free and clear cleaning products. I would love any suggestions that you might have for a free and clear dishwasher detergent that actually gets the dishes clean. Now I'm going to take my Lysol wipes. It was later that day. I had a little outfit change and decided to pull my hair up, but mom life, you just run around and do whatever you can. So cleaning definitely takes a back seat in my opinion, because being there for my little one on the weekend when I work full time is more important. But I usually just use the Mrs. Meyer's spray, but if it's really needing a deep clean, I will take the disinfecting wipes. Again, that is also something I want to try and find a dupe for that is a free and clear product, but I'm gonna tell you, I love my Lysol and Clorox wipes, so it's probably gonna take a lot to rip them from me. But let me know, what is your most favorite cleaning product and your most favorite cleaning chore to do? I love vacuuming. That one's my favorite. But yeah, let me know. And wiping down the counters. Vacuuming and wiping down the counters is so satisfying to me, and it makes it feel so clean. Now that the dishwasher is done, I took the dishes out, and I love this little tray that I can put in or little cage thing that I can put in the dishwasher. It holds the nipples and pump parts, whatever that you want to have on the top row that's too small. It holds everything in there. So I'm just emptying that out, putting everything away, putting my pump parts back together. I do need to go through this cupboard. It kind of is a hot mess, but it's as organized as it's gonna get at this time. We haven't even been in this house a year, so when we first moved in, we didn't have a whole lot, so it was easy to keep everything organized, and now it's like that we've been here almost a year. It's time to go through and really figure out how to organize everything now that we're living in this space. What is gonna be the most functional for us? Kind of just trial and error with any home, but especially when you first move in, you've got to just live in it and see where you want to reach for things, what gets crazy, you know. And last but not least, I'm just sweeping up, because every day that little boy just gets crumbs everywhere, and after wiping off the counters, I didn't have time to really vacuum, so I just did a really quick sweep in the kitchen and called it a day. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Would love to have you. I am a busy working mom, and I'm just sharing you how I do things around here and maybe give you some motivation or tips for your own life. But I hope you have a beautiful week, and I will see you on Wednesday. Bye, guys.